So in this video, let's quickly look at how to create a Telegram channel. So if you are using an Android phone, you are supposed to click on this pencil. Yes, for Android users, click on this pencil. When you click on this pencil, you see new group, new contact, and then new channel. Our focus is on the channel, so you click on the new channel. So when you click on it, you title the name of your channel. So how do you want to call your channel or name your channel? So I will say Teacher Onga. Then the description, you can write anything at all you want to write. So in this channel, we teach about money literacy. So you can provide any description of your choice. So after you are done, you click on the check mark here on top. So you click on the check mark. So you can make your Telegram channel public or private. So if you want more people to join your Telegram channel, you make it public. But if it is a course you want to run, you have to make it private. But our concentration is for people to join our Telegram channel. So you leave it at public. So if you want, you can customize your Telegram link. This is where to customize your Telegram channel link. Teacher Onga is already taken, so I'll say Teacher Onga 55. Okay, so Teacher Onga 55 is okay. Then I'll check. Then go ahead and then you click here, or if you want, you can add people. You can add people to the channel. So I'm not adding anybody, so I go ahead and then boom, my channel is created. So let's look at the settings, how to set your Telegram channel. So I click on here, it will take you to the settings. Click on this pencil. So we have channel type. It's already on public. Like I said earlier, if you want it to be private group where you can host your classes, you put it on private channel. If you don't want people to copy the content on the channel, you can restrict it. So you can see restrict. You can turn it on or off. So here you can manage invite links. So if you want to copy your link, just copy, click on to copy and share to people for them to join. You can also click on the create new link. When you go there, limited by time period, people set custom duration. So after, you can make it after 1 day, after 1 hour, the link expires. After 1 day, the link expires. After one week, the link expires, and then no limit. So because it's public, you can just leave it at no limit. But if it was a private channel where you host your classes, you do your classes there, paid classes, you can make it after people have clicked on the link, in a 1 hour time, the link will expire. So you can make the link expire after a certain time. Limit by number of users. So when 10 people click on the link will expire. When 100 people click on the link expires. So because it's public, you leave it at no limit. So after you are done, then you click on create link. When you click on create link, a new link will be created. So you can see this was the old link, and this is the new link. You can use any of them. You can also revoke the links. So click and hold and then revoke the links. Revoke. You can delete all revoked links. So that is that. So if you want to share your group link, just click on copy and then you can share for people to join. So let's go back. You can just navigate through your Telegram channel. If you want to see the subscribers, you can see your subscribers here, the number of subscribers in the group. Yeah, so your Telegram channel has been set. So for iPhone users, how to create your Telegram channel? So first of all, click on this box with pencil over here. So you click on it. When you click on it, you see new group, new contact, then new channel. You click on new channel, then you create channel. So you write your channel name and then description, and then you follow through the process. So you follow through the process just like the way we did in the Android. Yeah, so you just continue with creating your Telegram channel. Thank you so much for watching.